Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G for AT&T prepaid. So the Galaxy A23 is a new budget smartphone. It recently got announced by Samsung, and now it's here on a carrier. I'm surprised that it made it to a carrier. I'm surprised that it did. So the Galaxy A23 is not here at AT&T prepaid for $299.99 for 64 gigabytes of storage, and it's available in black. So so y'all guys got that phone right there. Teardrop nuts, AirPace above that, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. And I do like the wallpaper there, very vibrant wallpaper there and whatnot, very colorful and stuff like that. The only thing it is blue, white and orange, so kind of like AT&T colors, so pretty interesting there. Features: the Samsung Galaxy A23 5G makes keeping up with the people and content that matters the most a breeze, with a detailed, oriented wide lens and advanced portrait mode, infinite edge-to-edge experience, and long-lasting adaptive battery. You won't miss a beat. Alright, photos, and so show you guys more pictures of the Galaxy A23 here. So there it is right there. Kind of looks like the Galaxy A53 a little bit in terms of like camera design and stuff like that. So if you guys are familiar with the Galaxy A53, the Galaxy A23 will be familiar to you in terms of like design and stuff. So you guys got a quad camera setup along with your camera flash. The camera does stick out there just a bit down back. Samsung logo there on the back. Like I said, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. There's the back. Left side, that probably has your SIM card and micro SD card slot, I guess. There's left and right. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Right side has your power button and volume keys. There is front and back of the Galaxy A23. Specs: autofocus camera with advanced portrait mode, long-lasting supercharged battery, private share for photos and file sharing, peace of mind, 6.6-inch Infinity display for edge-to-edge viewing. Dimensions on the Galaxy A23 are 6.47 inches height, 3.2 inches width, and 0.33 inches depth. The Galaxy A23 weighs 6.87 ounces. Display 6.60 inch, so they get technical here. 1080p, 1080 by 2408 pixel resolution that is full HD plus, 16 million colors. You do get 4 cameras in the back, like I mentioned. You get a 50 megapixel main camera with the f1.8 aperture lens, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera with the f2.2 aperture lens, 2 megapixel depth sensor with the f2.4 aperture, then a 2 megapixel macro lens with the f2.4 aperture as well. Video capture Full HD at 30 frames, video playback Full HD at 30 frames, 8 megapixel front facing camera. Battery is a 5000 mAh battery. It's not removable, of course, that's pretty much standard now. Talk time 44 hours, standby time 16.3 days. Audio playback up to 59 hours on speaker and up to 157 hours on headset. It does have fast charging. Time to charge is 50% is 24 minutes. That's fucking fast. Time to charge 100%, that's 60. You should get about half charge in about 24 minutes according to this. Processor is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 processor, octa-core. Memory 64 gigabytes of internal memory, up to 1.1 via micro SD. That's very nice. RAM, Android 12 with One UI 4.1. So that's very nice, and you should get Android 13 on this at some point. I'll say why not. You do get 5G on here. There's your bands there. You do get 4G, of course, 4G LTE and 4G as well. I'm surprised that HSPA Plus is still a thing. Kind of interesting there. 3G GSM, of course, World Phone, Quad Band, HC Voice, Wi-Fi calling, AT&T Video Call, Wi-Fi connectivity for Galaxy A23, Wi-Fi 8 and 211 ABG and AC and R, dual band Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth 5.0, mobile hotspot up to 10 devices, wireless emergency alerts. It takes a nano SIM card, so pretty standard there. Your sensors on the Galaxy A23 include accelerometer, ambient light, barometer, fingerprint, gyroscope, and proximity. I'm guessing you have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, I guess. Yeah, I think you have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, so your power button is your fingerprint sensor. I'm pretty sure, because I doubt this thing has a in-display fingerprint sensor. I doubt it. So, yeah. Mobile email, Microsoft Direct Push. It has YouTube Music, of course, as a music player. Accessibility, sustainability, and yeah, what comes in the box is a quick start guide, USB-C cable, SIM tray ejection tool. So yeah, I don't know if it comes with the charger or not. Don't be surprised if it does not come with the charger, because a lot of phones now are not coming with the charger in the box, so you guys will have to buy one if you guys don't have one. And I'm pretty sure it's probably Type-C to Type-C charging, maybe USB-A to USB-C. It's either one of it's either or. So yeah. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy A23 5G is now here at AT&T prepaid. It's available now for $299.99 for 64 gigabytes of storage. If you guys are looking to get a budget 5G smartphone on the AT&T prepaid, the Galaxy A23 is worth taking a look at here. I'm surprised that this phone made it to a carrier, because I didn't think this phone was going to make it to a carrier. I didn't think it was going to make it to a carrier here in the US. But it did, and I'm sure a lot of other carriers will get this phone as well. Yeah, it looks like a Galaxy A53 in terms of like design and stuff like that. But the Galaxy A53 has better specs than this phone here, and it costs a bit more. So do keep that in mind. So yeah, there you guys have it. Samsung Galaxy A23 5G now available at AT&T prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it lets me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.